Hi, I'm Zabjel Albia from freshman class, batch 20. My favorite subject of freshman class was how to navigate on MT5 or MetaTrader 5 for the beginner, or kung saan pwede natin ma-execute yung mga trade, pwedeng live demo, and dito kami nakapag-practice kung paano makapag-trade in future term. That's it.
Good afternoon or good evening. So I'm Christian Joseph Atabay, freshman. Nagustuhan ko sa course is yung risk management. Kasi ako, risk taker akong tao. Hindi ako marunong mag-manage ng risk. But nung nag-explain si Sir Jeff, so ang dami ko natutunan. So highly recommended na mag-enroll kayo dito para at least alam niyo yung ginagawa niyo sa trading. So, thank you po.
Don't just watch others succeed in the market, be part of it. Enroll now at Legendary Trading Academy and start your journey today.